Okay, what do you see out there?
Well, we're flying still.
Why'd they close it?
I don't want it.
Why not?
I don't know. This is a weird feeling.
Did you feel your stomach change?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a little odd, huh? It's okay. Like I said, it's kind of like a ride.
It's kind of like, what is it called? Elevator ride.
Yep. A little bit. You look out again?
Once we get on the clouds, I'm looking out.
Oh, do you feel like it's going up again?
Yes.
Do you want to go look out the window? Let's see. Oh, you can't look out the window if you don't open it. You're silly. Look. Babe, are you looking out the window? What do you see?
Yeah. She's saying lots of things. Don't wake up, baby.
Yeah. Cows? You saw cows?
We're flying.